Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily fix YouTube Shorts glitch problems on your PC or laptop. Let's begin. First, open Chrome, and once you're on YouTube, usually this is just a stock or loading problem. You can try to refresh your browser and see if everything is now fixed. Now, another fix is you can go to your settings. For example, this, I'm going to click on the three dots over here, go to settings, privacy and security, go to delete browsing data, click on it, and just make sure to click on cookies and other site data, cache images and files. No need to select browsing data and more. Click here. Just make sure to select all time and then click on delete data. Now, once done, what you need to do next is go over here, click on your extensions, manage extensions, and make sure everything is disabled. So we can see if there's actually a significant difference between disabling this and then watching your shorts if they are now fixed. And that's it. That's pretty much everything you need to do. Most likely fixing or deleting your cache and cookies will resolve most of the problems and issues. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.